Welcome back to the Printosaurus. Today we're going over how to use Bambu Handy and our printer to skip objects. From the X1C screen, the bottom left-hand corner, you're going to see three dots and an arrow. Click on it. You will select the region of your object on the left. On the right, you select the object you want to skip. It turns red, hit Skip Objects, and you are all done. Now here's a quick video of actually using this application. We have an object with some layer adhesion issues that we want to skip. We have three other objects we want to continue to print. So on the menu, we're going to select those three dots in the bottom left-hand corner with that arrow. That's going to bring up that screen that we select the area that our object's in. We're going to select the object on the right. It turns red. We hit Skip Objects, say yes, and we are completed. Bambu Handy is a little bit different. You're going to click on that icon, three dots with the arrow. Once that loads, you can just select the object you want to skip and hit skip. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.